What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Annette, and today I am going to be making a 3-tier ribbon tutu using my pre-made tutu. So for starters, you want to separate your tutu, your blank tutu, in half, meaning that your tutu is going to come in 4 layers. You want to separate those in half, 2-layer, 2-layer, and I'm adding 2 ribbon at the same time to the first 2 layers, and then we're gonna add 1 ribbon, 1 color ribbon to the next 2 layers. So I'm gonna speed up this video and just let it run. Okay, so we are coming to the end of this first layer. We're going to go ahead and burn the ribbon just as you would when you're making your tutu. And then we're going to hop in and add the second color. So here I am adding the second color. The video is sped up somewhat, but I'm adding the second color to the next 2 bottom layers of the tutu. Of course, when you're using our blank pre-made tutu, you're going to flip that tutu upside down so that the tag is facing upwards or facing you. And when you add your first layer of ribbon, you're going to work with the 2 layers that's away from you. So that's the 2 layers that's facing your sewing machine table. So I'm at the end of adding the second layer of ribbon, so I'm going to burn it as normal. You want to burn your ribbon so that it doesn't fray. And what I love about my blank pre-made tutus is that I am able to close up my ribbons, means stitch them together in one swap, right? Because I'm generally coming around in a circle. Now I'm adding my bow. As you all could see, I already pleated the ribbon, and this is how you want to stage your tutu for when you have to take pictures and all that good stuff. And here we are, guys, all done. Ribbon added. Cute, cute, cute. So thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.